Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw tasks from ClickUp into Google Calendar with AI scheduling step by step clearly. Open your web browser and log into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the tasks you want to withdraw. Select the tasks by checking the box next to each one. Once selected, look for the option to export or integrate. Choose the Google Calendar option from the list. If prompted, connect your Google account to ClickUp. Grant necessary permissions for ClickUp to access your Google Calendar. Decide on the date and time you want to schedule the exported tasks. Select the AI scheduling feature, if available, to optimize your time slots. Review the proposed schedule generated by the AI. Adjust any tasks as necessary to fit your personal preferences. Click the button to confirm the export to your Google Calendar. Wait for the confirmation message indicating the tasks have been successfully added. Open Google Calendar in a new tab to verify that the tasks appear correctly. Check the scheduled times and dates for each task imported from ClickUp. Make any further adjustments directly in Google Calendar if needed. Lastly, familiarize yourself with the notification settings for your imported tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.